Hey guys, just a quick video just to recap the market as I'm seeing it right at the moment. So let's quickly look at DXY just to see overall where are we at. All right, so did share those charts earlier with those order blocks on sort of on the 8 hour. Let's quickly look at the daily and see where we are. All right, so one thing definitely to keep in mind is this long consolidation that we did have, all right, which we have now broken out of, or at least had a decent move out of that consolidation. We have moved back in, but I would still be very wary of continuation from here. With consolidation that lasted so long, with a clear breakout, to me this is just a potential retest. So if we look to try identify the order blocks, so okay, that's a clear swing low that was that the price closed below. So if we look at the bearish order block, we would take that previous low there, and we would look for the green candle, the move that broke that consolidation, which is right. So price is obviously testing that area, and it's the same area that we identified on that 8-hour chart that I shared. So if we look quickly, and this is the 4-hour chart here, all right, into that clear reaction at that bearish order block. Now we have a more sort of traditional supply zone here. So a fast move away. Now price did engulf the supply zone, but it went to this bearish order block. So this engulfed supply zone could potentially be support, and that's why I want to see price close below there. Now, if we're going to be looking at the sentiment on this is where things can get a little bit interesting. So if we want to try identify a bullish order block in this move up, all right, where are we going to see it? So this is these highs here. So you can notice these are these highs, all right, yeah, okay, and let's maybe take that there, all right, it's a bit clearer there, all right, okay. So you can see what price did here, all right, initial some resistance, broke through, retested those previous highs that were previous resistance, moved up. So where is the bullish order block in this situation? Okay, so where is the last red candle before the breakthrough that broke the previous high? All right, and that previous high could also be here. The last red candle is that candle there. So price could push down into this bullish order block, all right, and then from there you could look for a long, but I would be a little bit hesitant, and I'd just really watch price very, very closely here, because of this long consolidation that we had here that eventually broke through. So to me that makes me lean a little bit bearish, even though currently it is against sentiment. I would just be really careful here. But if sentiment holds, then that becomes a potential long. So again, these zones, again, this could also be not just that red candle here, but we could actually take, let's actually try to define it here, because sometimes price does move a little bit further lower down. So let's take that. That's probably a better zone over here. 94.20 is an area to watch. If we start to see some support chain, you can go down to the lower time frames, look at the 30-minute and the 1 hour. Do you see a change of structure? Say price keeps on moving down. If it sits here and we start to see a move back up, start to see any formation of bullish order blocks on that lower time frame. So yeah, very tricky at the moment. Definitely, this is for me not an area to go long here on EU, because you're so close to this bearish order block. an opportunity to go long becomes down here. All right, so when DXY hits this 94.20, potentially the opportunity to go long EU would be there. But I've just got a feeling that this is the zone to go long dollar, is that sort of towards 94. It's very clean, and I don't see why, even if you look at it on the daily, it's cleaner here. So you can see this move breaks below the consolidation, just a retest down to there. So that 94 to me is an area that potentially I'll wait for longs on dollar. All right, guys.